This is a construction site, and we are doing a walkway. So we are coming up with walkway, and for us to come up with this walkway, what actually we have done, or rather what we are doing, we are casting cast in situ channels. So these cast in situ channels, they will be able to protect our PCC, so such that this PCC cannot actually move. So they will be enclosing the PCC. So you see we have a channel on this side, and we have a channel on that side. So in between here we are going to put a layer of hardcore. But before we put a layer of hardcore, we are going to compact the ground. After compacting the ground, we will come up with a layer of hardcore. After the layer of hardcore, we will have another layer of blinding on top of the hardcore. That is to fill the voids of the hardcore. And then after which now we will do the final layer, which is laying the PCC. So this is our cast in situ channel, and also this is our cast in situ channel. So the way we came up with the level of this cast in situ channel is that according to our site layout, we had been given our reference point of 0.00 to be contour 16. So contour 16 was our 0.00 level, or rather our reference point as 0. And then our building floor level, is 1630, which means it is 300 millimeters above ground level. That is from reference point of 00, which is contour 1600. So the nail you see here, this nail here, this is our building floor level. This is our building floor level. That is the concrete that we casted for the floor. So which means this is our 1630. This is our 1630. So this 1630, we used this 1630 in order to get our levels of the channel. So this is our channel, as you can see, and of course we had already, in between our walkway, we have some manholes. Like for example, this is a manhole. So this manhole, we will make sure that this manhole, the cover to this manhole is the same level with the PCC that we are going to provide on this walkway, such that they are on the same level. So that is our walkway. Hopefully we'll be able to come up with a very nice walkway. So let me show you the formwork provision for the cast in situ channels that we have already provided on site. So as you can see, this area is a formwork that we have done so that we can do our channel casting. So hopefully we'll be able to come up with a very nice walkway that is around the site. So remember that I had said that we have the levels that we have been given around the site, and these levels are the ones that we are using to come up with the walkway. But our reference level is 1630, which is also the floor level of our building. But our 00 level around the site is contour 16. So you can see this is part of the site civil works, and this is a pavement. This is a pavement. It is an interlock pavement or a cabro pavement. So as you can see, at our edge we have the cast in situ channel, or we can say cast in situ curbstone, but for me I would call it cast in situ channel. So this cast in situ channel, so it has been used to enclose the interlocks, or rather to enclose the cabros, because without this cast in situ channel at the edge, then these interlocks or the cabros won't be enclosed or won't be sustained at the intended pavement area. Because if the pressure, or rather the load, is exerted on this pavement, like for example the movement of the vehicles or the movement of people, so without these cabros or interlocks being enclosed, you will find that they will start moving, or they will be displaced due to that movement pressure, and then you will find that the pavement will not look nicely. So the purpose of this curbstone or this cast in situ channel is to enclose these interlocks, or to enclose these cabros, so that they remain intact at the intended paved area. They remain intact at the intended paved area. So that is the function of this curbstone, cast in situ curbstone, or cast in situ concrete channel, is to enclose these interlocks or to enclose these cabros. So that is our pavement. So this is our how we are placing the cabros or the interlock pavement. So this is still part of the site civil works that we have been doing. So this is site civil works. So this is our pavement, and it is interlock pavement, or we can also call it cabro pavement. So as you can see, as I had shown you, so this is our, at the edge you can see we have our cast in situ channel. So this, our cast in situ channel, is to enclose these pavements, or rather to enclose the interlocks of the cabros. So you can see that is at the edge of the walkway we have the cast in situ concrete channel, or concrete curb, or cast in situ curb, or cast in situ curbstone, but we prefer it as a cast in situ concrete channel. It encloses the interlocks, or it encloses the cabros. So this is part of the civil works, or this is part of the actually pavement that we are doing on site. So as you can see, we are laying our cabros or our interlocks, and this is the outcome. So at the edge, the interlocks or the or rather the cabros have been enclosed by the cast in situ channel. They have been enclosed with the cast in situ channel, or cast in situ curbstone. But it's better to just say they are enclosed with a cast in situ concrete channel. So this is the civil works, site civil works, and this is a pavement, site pavement that is actually proceeding. So if we could not be having the channel at the edge that is enclosing these cabros, or that is enclosing these interlocks, then you will find that during the movement, these interlocks or these cabros, they will be displaced. So if they are displaced due to pressure that is exerted on them, then they'll be out of the intended pavement area. So actually that is the function of the channel or the capstone, is to enclose these interlocks or to enclose the cabros to make sure that they are in the intended paved area.